Toma esta silla. Take this chair. Take this chair. Toma. Take esta. This. Silla. Chair. Take this chair. Toma esta silla. Hizo frío hoy. It was cold today. It was cold today. Hizo. It was. Frío. Cold. Hoy. Today. It was cold today. Hizo frío hoy. It was cold today. La clínica está cerrada. The clinic is closed. The clinic is closed. La clínica. The clinic. Está cerrada. Is closed. The clinic is closed. El precio es muy alto. The price is very high. The price is very high. El precio. The price. Es muy. Is very. Alto. High. El precio es muy alto. The price is very high. Mi dinero está dentro. My money is inside. My money is inside. Mi dinero. My money. Está. Es. Dentro. Inside. My money is inside. Mi dinero está dentro. Ella puede ser impaciente a veces. She can be impatient sometimes. She can be impatient sometimes. Ella, she, puede, can, ser, be, impaciente, impatient, a veces, sometimes. She can be impatient sometimes. Este restaurante tiene buena comida. This restaurant has good food. This restaurant has good food. Este, this, restaurante, restaurant, tiene, has, buena, good, comida, food. This restaurant has good food. Todo está claro. Everything is clear. Everything is clear. Todo. Everything está claro. Is clear. Everything is clear. La fiebre me hizo débil. The fever made me weak. The fever made me weak. La fiebre, the fever, me hizo, made me, débil, weak. The fever made me weak. La fiebre me hizo débil. The fever made me weak. Ese trabajo me hizo cansado. That job made me tired. That job made me tired. Ese, that, trabajo, job, me hizo, made me, cansado, tired. Ese trabajo me hizo cansado. That job made me tired. Queremos uno blanco. We want a white one. We want a white one. Queremos. We want. Uno blanco. A white one. We want a white one. Queremos uno blanco. We want a white one. Ella quiere ser delgada. She wants to be thin. She wants to be thin. Ella, she, quiere, wants, ser, to be, delgada, thin. She wants to be thin. Ella quiere ser delgada. She wants to be thin. Te ves elegante. You look elegant. You look elegant. Te ves. You look elegante. Elegant. You look elegant. Voy a comprar uno para más tarde. I will buy one for later. I will buy one for later. Voy a. I will. Comprar. Buy. Uno. One. Para. For. Más tarde. Later. I will buy one for later. Voy a comprar uno más tarde. I will buy one for later. Eso debería ser ilegal. That should be illegal. That should be illegal. Eso, that, debería, should, ser, be, ilegal, illegal. That should be illegal. Eso debería ser ilegal. Esto es aplicable donde sea. This is applicable everywhere. This is applicable everywhere. Esto es. This is. Aplicable. Applicable. Donde sea. Everywhere. This is applicable everywhere.